Standard First, Subject English. 1.3 English words we know. Prepared by Kausal Jahan from Gayatri Rafinagar Municipal Urdu School number 2. Look at the pictures and tell. Tablet, cup, pressure cooker, duster, brush, mobile phone, ice cream, pen, bat, pencil, biscuits, fridge, doctor, bus, towel, table, safety pin. Thanks for watching.